Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PayPal to a bank account in Nepal. First, log into your verified PayPal account, which is crucial for secure transactions. Next, navigate to the Wallet section, where you will find options to link new financial instruments. We will then proceed with adding your Nepalese bank details carefully. This process requires attention to detail, but it ensures a smooth and reliable connection for your funds. Before starting, ensure your PayPal account is thoroughly verified, as unverified accounts have significant limitations. Gather all your Nepalese bank account information, specifically the full account number and the correct SWIFT or BIC code for international transfers. You might also need to have identification documents like your citizenship certificate or passport readily available, in case PayPal asks for additional verification during the linking process. Having these prepared saves valuable time. To link your bank account, begin by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Wallet section. From there, select the option to link a bank account. You will then be prompted to choose your bank's country, so select Nepal from the available options. Carefully input your complete bank name, your full account number, and the precise SWIFT or BIC code for your specific bank branch. Double-checking these details is critical to prevent any delays or errors. After entering your details, PayPal will initiate a verification process by sending 2 small deposits, usually less than $1 each, to your Nepalese bank account. These micro-deposits typically appear within 2 to 3 business days. Once you see them in your bank statement, log back into PayPal. Navigate to the Wallet section again and enter the exact amounts of these 2 deposits. Correctly confirming these amounts finalizes your bank account link, enabling secure transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.